so we just got boarded on the plane. We're about to take off to Vegas. We should land in about 3.5 hours. It's gonna be sort of a late night tonight. Tomorrow we've got a busy day. The next couple days is gonna be busy. We're gonna be at the Off-Roadeo tomorrow and then SEMA the following day. So get ready for a wild ride. This is gonna be an awesome episode. Stay tuned. It's gonna be a wild trip. All right, so just landed in Vegas. We are gonna be greeted by Ford somewhere at the baggage claim, so we're gonna go try to find that guy so we can get to our hotel, get some rest, and then tomorrow all the excitement will begin.
Chase, what you up to now?
Well, right now we're kind of wasting a few minutes. We're going to meet down at the lobby at around 11, and we're going to head to the Off-Roadeo. I don't know about you, man, but I'm freaking pumped. I feel like this has been like the longest hour sitting and waiting.
Yeah, man.
Right?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Go.
See you at the Off-Roadeo. Waiting for the shuttles. We got everybody here. We're about to head to the Off-Roadeo. I have no idea what we're doing yet, but all I know is it's gonna be a great time. What's not to have fun, right? Vegas, Broncos, good people, Ford, good weather too. It feels good today. Let's freaking do it, man. I'm freaking pumped. Just made it to Off-Roadeo Vegas. They already started off right. I'm a big hat guy. I got like 55 hats, so this makes 54. So we're gonna swap that out. We're gonna grab some lunch, and then they're gonna show us something that nobody's seen before. So stay tuned. I'm really excited, man. I don't know about you, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so we just had a super awesome lunch for us. They had some burgers there at the main pavilion. There's a lot of media here. So basically, they're gonna be unveiling to us, something's under wraps. Can't push anything until 4 o'clock today. But in the meantime, because we've got a couple hours until that happens, Nabat and I are gonna go riding some Broncos. You know, this is the Off-Roadeo, so whenever you are a reservation holder or an owner, you can come participate in one of these events for free. So they've got basically like a track set up or a course where you can go out and kind of get to experience what the Bronco is all about. If you've been watching my YouTube, I've already posted the Austin Off-Roadeo before, so let's go see what the Vegas one's all about. I'm ready, dude. The moment we've all been waiting for. Let's see it. Bring out the goods. Are you seeing this? Production Desert Racer Bronco. The DR Bronco is a production vehicle with a 5.0 Coyote motor in it. I'm almost speechless. Let's just go take a look at it. How do you do this? May not have been the most graceful way to do it. But we are in. Oh my God. This is a full-blown race truck. We are sitting in the DR Ford Bronco. Absolutely crazy. Race screen up front, Sparco, you know, seats. We got the harnesses, fully caged all the way around me. The normal dash that would be here is not there. Everything is all integrated into the Motec system. Lockers, crazy. Steering wheel comes off. I should have took it off to get out. That would have been a lot easier. So, getting in. I'm sure that wasn't the most graceful, but we did it. We got in and out of the DR Bronco. Welcome to Bronco Off-Roadeo, Las Vegas. If you want to know which off-road you should do, honestly, they're all awesome. But personal opinion, I've done Austin twice. Now we're in Vegas. This totally tops Austin by a long shot. For me personally, they're both cool. They're both super informative. But the views here are obviously tenfold of what Austin give you, and the terrain and the trails are a lot more technical, so you have a little bit more fun in the Broncos. So if you're wanting to know between the two, my pick is Vegas. You should definitely do it too.